Hello friends, welcome to LG cooking class. I am Sharbani Roy and today I am here to share a very simple recipe because as lockdown is going on, we don't have much ingredients at our home, but in order to stay healthy and eat healthy, we need to go for some simple things which are available right in our home. I've taken a cup of oats and then I have made it into powder form just by putting it into the mixture, and then I'm going to add all the vegetables which are present. You can add capsicum. As you can see, I'm adding capsicum and carrot which I've taken which I've made into grated form, and then add chopped onions and then green chilies. You can add as per your taste. So I'm adding the green chilies, and finally little bit of salt, and as per your taste, and a little bit of black pepper. As you can see, I'm giving little bit of black pepper, and this is also optional. You can put mixed herbs or maybe some other things. If you have coriander in your home, you can chop the corianders also. That will also give a great taste to it. And finally, little bit of water. So now I am done, and I am going to add this slowly so that it turns into a nice smooth batter. So as you know that oats is very healthy and good for our health also. You can make this for your breakfast for your family, or you can use it as a tiffin snack during the evening time. So this batter is almost ready. Now I am going to place this batter on a non-stick frying pan. As you can see, this is previously greased with just 1 tablespoon of oil. I can use mustard or olive oil as per your choice. So now it's ready. Now I'm going to pour this and give it a good round shape. And now this is ready to go inside the microwave. As you can see, I'm using an LG microwave. So now it's time to start, and over here I will keep the timing as